Complete the terms in the geometric sequence 1 blank 121. We can get the missing geometric mean by multiplying 1 and 121. That gives us 121 and get the square root of that. It's positive and negative 11. That's the missing mean. What are the geometric means in 500? Between 500 and 4. We can solve this by finding the nth term of a geometric sequence. A sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. A sub n is 4. The first term is 500. We don't know r in here. There are 4 terms in the sequence. We simplify the equation. That's r raised to 3. And then dividing to both sides 500 to get r. 4 over 500 in lowest form is 1 over 125. On the right side, we're left with r cubed. Extract the root by getting the square root of cube root of both sides to get r. Cube root of r cubed is r. The cube root of 1 over 125 is 1/5. What do we have to do with this 1/5 in here? We multiply the first term with 1/5 to get the next term. 500 times 1/5 is also equal to 500 divided by 5, which is 100. That's the next term. Then multiply the next term to 1/5. That's equal to 100 divided by 5, which is equal to 20. That means the two missing terms are 120. What is the sum of the first 8 terms of the geometric sequence? 6, 18, 54, 162. The formula for this is S sub n equals a sub 1 times 1 minus r raised to n all over 1 minus r. Since we're looking for the sum of the first 8 terms, our n is 8. The first term, we started with 6, 1 minus r. R can be obtained by dividing any 2 consecutive terms in the sequence. 18 divided by 6 is 3, so that's 3. N is 8 over 1 minus 3. Then S sub 8 equals 6. What is this 3 raised to 8 in here? We know that 3 raised to 5 is 243. 243 is 3 raised to 5 times 3, that's 3 raised to 6. Times 3, it's 3 raised to 7 times 3. That's 3 raised to 8. We have 6,561. In the denominator, 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Now we can divide 6 divided by 2. That gives us negative 3. 1 minus 6,561 is negative 6,560. Times 3, let's multiply. 6,560 times 3 equals 19,680. We know that negative times negative is positive. That's B, option B. What is the sum of the first 100 terms in the geometric sequence? Negative 5, 5, negative 5, 5. The number of terms is even. And as you see, if we try to pair the sequence in here, the terms in the sequence, negative 5, 5, or negative 5 plus 5, that gives us a sum of 0. Then another pair, negative 5 plus negative 5 plus 5 is also 0. And since the number of terms is even, that gives us 0 as a sum. So the sum for the first 100 terms in that sequence is 0. Find the sum of the sequence 4, 2, 1, 1/2. Given the sequence, we can observe that it's a geometric sequence because it gives us a common ratio of 1/2. 1/2 divided by 1 is 1/2. 1 divided by 2 is 1/2. 2 divided by 4 is 1/2. That's the common ratio. And looking for the sum, it's an infinite geometric sequence. The sum to infinity, the formula is a sub 1 over 1 minus r. The first term is 4. The common ratio is 1/2. In the denominator, 1 minus 1/2 is 1/2. To divide 4 by 1/2, we just simply multiply 4 by the reciprocal of your denominator. 4 times 2, that gives us 8, divided by 1 is 8. That's option C.